How to allow access to WhatsApp contacts not showing on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device, then click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen and search Apps and Notification. After searching Apps and Notification, this kind of screen will pop up. Click on Apps and Notification, which is located on third. Then click on WhatsApp. Then force stop the app. After that, go to Storage and Cache, clear cache. Then go back. Then go to Permission and see if contacts permission is allowed or not. As you can see, it is not allowed, so click on Allow. And that's how you allow access to WhatsApp contacts not showing on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.